Good afternoon, Buzzy again at VAF Industries. Hey, today I want to talk to you about our newest product. This is our TLN 3/4. It's a torque limiting nut. The 3/4 stands for 3/4 inch, for 3/4 inch hardware. We also make these in 5/8, which would be a TLN 5/8. This is designed for hardware applications where you've got torque sensitive issues. For example, your cross arms or composite poles or fiberglass, whichever you've got. This is designed to break off at 45 foot-pounds of torque, roughly. The 5/8's designed to break off at approximately 35 foot-pounds of torque. Really easy to install. What we do here, when we tighten this up, this part here is going to break off, and you're going to be left with the operable nut that just fits up tight against the hardware. You can remove it if you need to. Okay, let's take a look at how easy this is to go on. I've got one set up here for you. All you got to do is put your torque wrench or any wrench on it. Put it here, tighten it up. There you go. That's what it leaves. No sharp objects for anybody to get hurt on, and the breakaway piece you just throw away.